What's up, guys? My name's Mitchell and I'm a professional programmer. People are constantly either asking me for help or telling me that they wish they learned how to program but don't know where to start. In my opinion, Python is a great language. It's very simple to learn and it's easy to teach. For that reason, I decided to start my first ever YouTube series on just the Python basics. This series is targeted towards anyone, whether you have no programming or Python experience, to even if you're a programmer and want to learn more. Now, if you don't have Python downloaded on your computer already, I'll provide a link down in the description below to easily install it and get started. Additionally, I'll provide a full layout of the course as well as links to my other video that you can follow along with. I'll also make sure to include practice tools that I find online down in the description below so that you can go and practice on your own. With that being said, we're going to start out very basic, and this episode is going to be about print statements. So let's take a look at those. Okay, so right now we're in Visual Studio Code, which is my IDE of choice. An IDE is an integrated development environment. If you're interested in downloading Visual Studio Code, I'll put it in the description. In Python, print is a built-in function. This means you have the ability to call it whenever you want without importing it. To call this function, you simply type in print and then an open and close parentheses. Within it, you just have to provide it a value that you'd like to print. We're going to give it a string and we're going to say hello YouTube. If we were to run this program right now, it outputs hello YouTube. When you're programming, a print statement's great for outputting information. It's also great for debugging. So this is the easiest print statement. You say print, and then you give it a string of hello YouTube, and in return, it prints out hello YouTube. While this is the most basic print statement, we could also break it up and give it two strings, hello being a string, comma, and then the string YouTube. If we run this, it should print the exact same output. So what we can do is get rid of this first line and then click run. As you can see, it printed out hello YouTube. The print function also has arguments. We're going to go over a couple of them, the separator and the end. So with this print statement, if we copy it and we paste it on the next line, right now the separator is defaulted to just a space. However, if we want to join hello and YouTube with a dash instead, we can set the separator to a dash, and now when we run it, you can see the first one said hello YouTube and the second one said hello YouTube but separated with the dash. The other argument that I wanted to touch on was end. If we took our print statement, hello, comma, YouTube, we can now say, comma, end equals, and it defaults to a new line, a \n. However, what if we wanted to say exclamation mark? So hello space YouTube exclamation mark new line. This is how you can print a hello statement that says hello YouTube exclamation mark. In future videos, we will continue expanding on how to use print statements, but based off what we learned in this video, we can go over and put everything together. To put everything together, let's come down here and say print, and let's give it two different statements. We'll say hello YouTube as one, and then we'll say my name is Mitchell. Then we can use the separator to say comma space to separate the two strings, and we can say that the end equals an exclamation mark and a new line. Now, if we come up here and remove our previous print statements, so we just have this one, and then we run it, let me clear my terminal so you can see. It prints, hello YouTube, comma, space, my name is Mitchell, exclamation point. That was a very brief overview of print statements. Print statements are something that we're going to use in the future videos and we're going to continue elaborating on. In the next episode, we're going to be talking about variables. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe.